Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the 2011 New Orleans Investment Conference, of course, in New Orleans. I have John Versfelt of Cabo Drilling Corporation, CBE, on the TSX Venture. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks, Shelley.
Well, I want to tell you, I've been waiting to have my drilling company come on for an interview. It's a pleasure so I want to finally be able to say, let's drill down on what Cabo Drilling does. I've waited for this.
That's a good one. Well, we actually have drilling operations across Canada, United States, Panama, Colombia, and Albania, and we also go into Turkey. We have approximately 100 drills, of which 60 are drilling right now. And this year that we're in right now, our year started July 1, so we'll do about $50 million in revenue this year. Yep.
Well, I know that every single customer of yours is probably in that room, because when you have the drills, you know, I call that the truth machine. So you own the Truth Machine Company.
52% of all exploration dollars, I'm not talking the administration dollars, I'm talking exploration dollars, are spent on drilling. And that was the reason why I decided in 2002 to start working towards becoming a drilling company. We were successful in doing so and started drilling operations July 1, 2004. But it was based on the fact that I want cash flow. You cannot continue on in this business unless you sell a lot of stock, which I don't intend to do. The only way to do it is to have real income, and that's what we have. So
are you busy? Are you expecting to get busier? What's going on in your industry? Because I know that it sometimes can be seasonal due to weather, so I'm always curious as to how that works.
Well, we are busy. We could be busier, except that it's very difficult to find good drilling people, primarily drillers and foremen and supervisors, field supervisors. So we've made a decision that rather than give a substandard product to our clients, we would pull back from having as many drills as possible out there. It's more about not so much drilling utilization, it's more about drill capacity. How much do you drill with one drill? We feel that for us to operate properly, we have to be in a variety of countries. That gets rid of the seasonal effect to some extent, but let's not forget that in many places in Canada you can drill year-round in the cold weather as well.
The other question that I had, is it better for you to drill shorter holes or deeper holes? Because I know some of these companies that are at this conference, for instance, are drilling as far as 5,000 feet.
Our drills are both surface and underground, and we have man-portable rigs. We have what you would call helicopter support rigs. Those drills, the man-portables are limited to about 250, 300 meters. The helicopter support rigs, they can go down to 1,000 meters, which is about 3,000 feet. We have large and medium-sized skid-mounted rigs as well as track-mounted rigs, some of which can drill down to about 7,000 feet.
So what's the biggest, core property you ever hit for a client, let's say?
You mean in terms of...
Let's say gold, hitting a vein and having... Because I've seen drills and I've seen the results of the drill findings coming up, and, some look better than others. So I know you've probably hit something big for someone.
Oh, we have, absolutely. We've been involved in probably 3 or 4 discoveries. And in the case of one of our clients, there were an old mine where they found a new gold deposit. Kirkland Lake Gold is the name of the company. And I've seen some of that core. It was running 8, 9, 10, 15 ounces to the ton. Beautiful core, absolutely beautiful core. We were also involved in the discovery up in the Attawapiskat, which is where that new chromite deposit is being built in northern Ontario. So we've been in a variety of discoveries. We don't benefit from it other than we get drilling income because our people are not allowed to trade in their stocks, nor are they allowed to buy their property because they'll lose their jobs.
Well, more so, you're trying to make an honest buck, it's what it's all about.
Well, you don't want to lose your clients because of conflict of interest is really what it comes down to.
Of course.
It's just smart, that's all.
But I just thought I'd ask that question because I'm sure you're the guy that's out there with the truth machine. You're going to find some stuff. So so that's the basis of how a company would compare what a perfectly beautiful core sample would be to some of the other stuff that they might be coming in against that.
The interesting part about drilling is that you never have the same type of property from client to client or from area to area. In actual fact, you could be drilling 10 miles away from a place that you are drilling, and the geology is entirely different. It's always a challenge. I would say that the drilling business is probably, if not the most challenging business, it's right up to with 1, 2, or 3.
I got to tell you, I'm happy to have gotten this interview in. What is the website for Cabo? And I'm sure whoever came up with the name loved Cabo San Lucas for sure.
The website is www.cabo.ca. And yes, you're right. The name did come from Cabo San Lucas, but it's gone through a number of name changes, and I just love the name Cabo because it's a very strong name.
I like it myself. Thanks for coming on to SNNLive. Good to hear the story.
Thank you very, very much.
And I wish you luck.
Thank you.